Welcome to episode 6 of the Highgrove build, filmed on the 5th of August 2025. These videos are being recorded by the aerial photo and videography company From Above in conjunction with the Highgrove Implementation Monitoring Group. Our aim is to make a visual record of how the Highgrove development build is progressing month by month as part of our monitoring programme and to make this information available to the public. Episode 6. This episode starts again at Highgrove Farm and pans a little to the west. In the foreground you can see Containment Pond 2. It is lined and contains water. A little further to the west is Containment Pond 1, also lined and containing water. Between these two runs the road from the western access, which is now open and used by construction traffic. Behind Containment Pond 2 you can see a line of barrack houses emerging, now with roofs. 3 are detached and 2 are semi-detached. This is the beginnings of a street scene. You can see a further small group of houses behind them under construction, which will form a second street scene in preparation for sales. The sales office will be temporarily housed in one of the adjacent garages. As you get closer, you can see where the solar panels will be inset into the roofs. We then pan north and can see where the access road leads up through the site and then bends round to the right. This is to be the main arterial road through the site. We then move over to the eastern side of Highgrove Farm. The eastern access road leads up to where the 2 brick David Wilson homes are under construction. These roofs also have gaps where the solar panels will be inset. Close by are the foundations for further houses. You can see where Containment Pond 3 is still being dug out. We then pan closer to the right-hand side of Highgrove Farm near their hedge, and you can see a small square building already with a roof. This is the electrical substation for the site.